Right now, we have one water line crossing under I-70. And while that was fine when there wasn't a whole lot up there, we have a mass balance of businesses up there now that if we were to have a significant break underneath the interstate with that one line, we are limited to supplying what the tower can supply. And that is not a long period of time on days when we're using a lot of water up there. And so for fire protection, for just the viability of those businesses, it's time to put in a second redundant water line crossing. So when we looked at the evaluations of that redundant crossing, we wanted it to provide the most benefit for long-term development, as well as pressures and flow, but also provide the redundancy we're looking for. So we designed a plan that puts a booster station on an existing water main off of 41st Street. And then coming north off of Hall Street from 41st Street, we cross under the interstate, and then we go east along 48th Street with a main to connect to the existing water main in the vicinity of the Carico implement. So that provides the redundant crossing, and then the booster station provides the flows, but the booster station also provides increased pressures in the northwest part of town where we've had pressure issues. That part of town is the furthest away from our towers and our pumping station, and also a very high elevation compared to what our pumping station is. So we have experienced pressures in that area, but we really don't want to put a second tower up there right now. That's pretty costly endeavor. So this will satisfy those concerns. It will also help facilitate the development north of the interstate at exit 157, having that booster station there.